By crikeys, it's getting hot today. It's as dry as a dead dingo's. Morning all. Another lovely day. Very hot today though. And, a little bit uncomfortable to work, but we'll see how we go. Just going to do more rust repairs. We'll keep you apprised of what's going to go on. Yeah, so we did our yesterday's thing, and it's nice to see this plate at a better angle. Oh, his son put his dirty fingerprints just there in the palm print. Nevertheless, we got rid of all the rust in and underneath it and stuff, and welded it all up as well. So we haven't done the other side because guess what? The car's upside down. But it's straight. This whole thing was bent back too, we noticed, so we re-straightened that. And in fact, I actually think they probably did a bit of paddock bashing in this car in years gone by. This is dented. I think I might replace this too and the other one, and maybe these what are they, seat belts or seat belt probably supports, and I think I might do them too, just because I want to actually do some work on this back plate down here, and this little rust hole there, and they're just in the road. So either that or I'll cut them out and put them back in again. We'll see what happens. But generally some nice brand newies might be the ticket too. And yeah, so that's about it. So we'll get on with it and we'll show you what's going on later. Cheers. Okay, so we didn't miss anything.
Wow. Look at that. That was a must, wasn't it?
It was a must, sadly. When I said there was no rust in this, no, definitely found some rust. Nevertheless, we'll fix it.
Half an hour later, I've got this drilled out and cut off. Okay, so we've been working on a fair amount of rust here. I've taken off a few panels here. We're going to replace these, get brand new ones. Thought about maybe repairing them, but it's been nicer to get new ones on there. This whole seal will probably need to be replaced. We're still working it out, seeing how bad the rust is, and gonna play it. But yeah, luckily the other side's all good. We've just got the end to do, which we're gonna buy the end cap and cut that all out and replace that. Yep.
Good morning all. It's a bit overcast and a lot cooler today. So anyway, I can update. We've been, I should say, working on this talk box and stuff, and the rust was much more extensive than I originally thought it was, that's for sure. But nevertheless, we're going to take it out and buy a few pieces to go in here, and I think I might replace the whole sill while I'm at it. It's got a few little dids and dads that I'm not could fix, but I don't know. Just I've got to do here as well. So if I want to do here, I might as well just do the whole sill, and then I can fix the backing plate or whatever you call it, the back of the sill up properly. It's got a couple of little bits too. So that's about it. So that'll be like new when that's done, which will be good. Okay, quick update. I've got the piece cut out, and there's the old piece, of course. And I've got the bends marked out where there. So the U is for up and the D is for down. So it bends that way, and this bends up. There's a few creases here and there, I guess you can see here. And yeah, so that's about it. So that's pretty good. Pretty pleased about that. G'day, metal brake time. I'm making a metal brake to bend some of the sheet metal for the car, and it's a nice design. We got it off a guy. We'll probably leave a link underneath, although I don't think he's making any more videos at the moment, but when this is finished you'll see more when Josh is at it. And yeah, just a little bit of update. And yeah, see, we need a little bender to make those little two points there and over here. So, alright, bye. Wave, Josh. Say hello. Big smile or something. Come on. How's a man supposed to work when you can't even barely see anything? Choking around here with bushfires. Just never ending bushfires. Just never go away. Good morning. Look at that. No bushfires. It rained yesterday. We had a storm and I can breathe today. It's very inspiring. Anyway, so back to work. And it has been a hard few days, and so that's why you haven't got any videos really. This is the bending brake, finished now, and that's how it works. I don't know if I can do that. No, just simply bends, and just a design I got off a guy online, so it's pretty cool. But that's not what the video is about today. It's a quick start on what's happening next. I'm waiting for some inner sills and things like that. So it's sort of, I'm at a bit of a standstill with that. I'm going to do this back panel I'm going to make a cardboard template, and then I'm going to make a template out of wood so I can beat it around the edge to get that shape. And the reason I'm going to go to so much trouble to make a wooden template, etc, etc, is because they should be reversible, so I can use a mirror for the other side. And the other thing is I'm going to have to make two for that car as well. And so at the ends up, I'm going to end up making 4 of them, so I might as well have a decent template. So if the template survives it. So that's about it. I don't know why I'm not doing the inner guard, just because I'm having a motivational crisis. So anyway, it all gets us further on the road to finished. So that'll be it. Quick update. I've made, well, I should say, I made the template. Can't see that, can you? There it is there. Go over here. There it is there. One template. And, so then I made a template out of a bit of craft wood, or whatever you want to call it, particle board. And crappy stuff. And so that I'll be gently beating, where's my hand? I'll be gently beating that around to get the curve of the back panel, getting this panel slowly to shape, massaging it bit by bit. It's quite a mission actually to get it just right. And but I think it's going to have to cut around here soon. I'll never get the last shape right. But that's it, and you know, making a bit at a time. I stretch it just a little bit too much here. Got to make a bit of extra material here. Here I beat that down, and that stretched just by beating it. And but you know, we've got the curve in, and it's not a bad. It's not too bad, is it? Really? Better than a poke in the eye with a blunt stick. Well, Struth, that was hard work. By crikeys, I gotta go. By crikeys, that was hard yakka. My arm's killing me, and I beat and bent this thing and stuff. And I beat it so many times I started hearing a Michael Jackson song in the back of my mind. It's like, bloody hell. But anyway, she's come good, and I'm happy as a pig in mud about that. That's pretty nice. Got the curves and everything I want pretty well, and I'll do the last bit when it gets fitted to the car, the last bit of shaping for me, and that's about it. So, copy you later.